Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our computer subject. I am teacher John Miller, caring for your computer. Look at this picture. What have you observed? Okay, very good. Caring for your computer. Proper caring for a computer. The internal and external parts of the computer have to be cared for. Though internal parts are best left to a grown-up, there are still certain tasks which you can perform to keep it working well. Place it in a clean, cool, and dry place. Do not place it direct the sunlight. Keep food away. Do not eat or drink while working with a computer. Clean your hands before using your computer. Clean your computer regularly. Use a clean damp cloth or use brush to clean external casing. Keep away objects that are magnetic. They are mechanical parts that can be damaged by magnets. Turn off your computer with the right procedure in shutting down. For laptops and or other portable computers, you can also consider the following. Do not use your laptop on the bed because fabric surface will block at the intake fan which causes overheating. Avoid placing heavy materials on top of your computer. This may damage the LCD screen. We have here the importance of properly shutting down of computer. There are three main reasons why we need to properly shut down our computer when we have finished our work. First is to ensure that your work is safe. Second, it could cause some files to be permanently deleted, corrupted. All files are at risk, including system, program, and personal files. Number 3, improper shutdown may damage some computer hardware and shorten its life. How to properly shut down a computer? Always remember to save your work and close all programs or applications that are open before shutting down. For Windows Vista, click the right pointing triangle next to the padlock icon. 2. A pop-up menu appears with various shutdown options. Number 3. Choose to shutdown menu item. Here's an example. Next is for Windows 7. Click the Windows icon or press the window icon in the keyboard. Number 2, the Start menu windows pop up. And number 3, choose the shutdown item. Here's the example. For Windows 8, mouse over the little gadget in the lower right corner of your screen. You can also move your mouse cursor to the upper right corner, same result. Or you can press Windows C on your keyboard. In the side-out menu, also known as the Charms bar, the appears click Settings. Click the power button and then choose Shutdown. Here is the picture. For Windows 10, open the Start menu, click the power button and click the Shutdown. Here's the picture. Do you have any questions regarding to our lesson for today? Very good. Thank you for joining and I hope you learned something in this video.